My name's Art Schumacher. This is Jay Ilbeck. The other guy, I'll try to speak over that. Mike Kraftjack, he's out checking on a farm. He'll be back in a little bit. We comprise the maintenance crew. This is the maintenance shop, but a lot of the maintenance isn't just here, it's all over. This is our 6-ton auger wagon. We also have a 4-ton auger wagon. Our feed company actually feeds a lot of our feeders for us, so without that we probably would need another one of these. But this gets heavy use anyhow, but nowhere near what it used to. Matter of fact, this was getting used so heavy it was breaking down once a week. It was getting worn out. So the feed company, by feeding our feeders, probably saved us $27,000 because that's what a new one costs. If you want to go forward here, this feed wagon's here for a reason because what we got in front of it, this is a vacuum for grain, a feed vac. Now, when this thing is, depending on the length or how far you got to suck and blow feed or what type of feed it is, this is rated at 500 bushel an hour. Now what that kind of translates to is that feed wagon or that auger wagon, at 6 tons, it should be able to suck that thing dry in a half an hour. So that's how much this should be able to produce. It should be able to move that much. I mean, it's a beast of a machine. It takes 2 guys to run it, but the savings is, I say it does a lot of money. It's paid for itself. And if you never heard one run, once you did, you'll never forget it, because it's just loud. It's like a jet engine. Yeah. The first time we had it running, it was way up in the corner of the farm, and everybody was like, "What is that?" I had to go up and see what it was because I didn't realize it was this machine. This is one of our 500-gallon water wagons. We have 3 of these, and now that the snow's gone, they'll be used pretty heavy again. This tractor, this Farmall 55, we bought that just 2 years ago, and we've been using it to mow grass right now, but it's probably going to get worked in a pen one of these days. It's just the other orchard tractors we have, until something breaks, this won't go into a pen until that happens. The tie drill that's behind it, we plant the entire farm with that one drill. This is our rotavator. We have 2 of these. We just changed the tines in this, and I kept a couple out because this is only 1 season use. And I know we've had people, a guy from South Dakota was in here and says he's had his tines on for 10 years, never changed them. Well,
that looks quite stony up there, though, right?
Yeah, well, it's not so much that it's stone. I think what it is once they start using this, it doesn't shut off for like 2 straight months. And with 2 of them, we got 140 acres to do. It goes. So it gets a lot of use. Next door, we have a wash bay on this building next door. And there's a truck with a flatbed on it, and the reason I've got that in there is because actually the truck that's behind it has got a reefer on it. Well, during the mature season, both those trucks have flatbeds on it, and we're getting to the season now where we're hauling chicks also. The flatbeds will get switched to reefers. So, I mean, we don't run 2 different sets of trucks. I mean, that's not economic. That don't make sense. So we got a trailer company up in Verona. They actually switch the flatbed to the reefer and back when we need to. So, and that is the maintenance department.